The year 2035. Jamaica was a somewhat peaceful country. The scammers, druggists, and shutters of the early and mid 2000s had mostly gone into hiding with the introduction of digital IDs and central bank digital currencies. I remember in 2030, once the world came off physical money completely, Don started dropping out like ball pates at Birdbush. The money was so easy to trace that not even a mobile VPN, frequency blocker, or burner phones could save them. The money was traced from the clients they scammed in North America right back to the pushcart vendor in the ghetto. And most of the times, the people the scammers were talking to weren't even people. Nothing got past Babylon. It became the literal web in which we all got caught, and the spider would devour anyone who went against its rules. The only good thing was there was some peace, but it reminded me of living in Japan. I did my degree in computer science at Tokyo University, and while the country was peaceful, a gloom of blue around many people let you know that they weren't genuinely happy. When I came back to Kingston, that same Smurf blue could be seen on the sunshine faces. The street vendors who once got away without paying taxes on their sales could no longer get away with this form of survival. Many went back to the old ways of bartering to avoid the system as much as possible. But of course, the old master names remained wealthy through all the transition and became even more influential. Who would have thought the cashless society, digital IDs, and AI would take hold so fast? We should have seen it coming. We did, but we weren't prepared. How would you prepare? That is the question the rich and the poor answer differently. For once, the government was in full control, not needing the gun-toting shutters to carry out their dirty work. In fact, they got rid of most of them with the help of the US government, but more so, the asset freezing technology the central bank digital currencies came equipped with. Bumbleclad, them freeze footer, him can't do nothing now. The word freeze, cold, and ice took on a whole new meaning. The few shutters who remained weren't your average drive-by shooting thugs. They were much more sophisticated, and they were birthed at the tail end of the lottery scam era, right into the digital currency evolution. This is a precautionary tale called New Kingston Town. Like, subscribe, tell a friend.
Clear it off at the wharf, pack it on the ends. Pussy man a look and a wife.